How to log in Homebridge Mortgage Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Homebridge Mortgage Account. For that, you want to open up any web browser and search for Homebridge Mortgage Login. Now, you want to tap on the very first option, which is Homebridge Login. That will take you directly to the login portal. Here, you want to enter some details. Start by entering your email address. Then, on the second box, you want to enter your password. Now, you want to tap on the login option. If the details entered by you are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on this link that says Forgot Password. Now, you will have to enter your email address. Then tap on the Send Email option. After some time, a link will be sent in your email address. Tap on that link and from there you will be able to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.